Hey guys, I'm just in the middle of my workshop. I hope you got a chance to take a peek this morning on Curious Mondo. We put together this cute little face right here that got a little bit damaged on the ride home. So I'm gonna finish her up tonight so she's nice and baked and ready to go tomorrow. So that was pretty fun to get this doll put together, this new face. And then here is the one that we were working on before that I made the video of yesterday. It kind of shows you how this one came together too. They're so cute. It's just a really fun size for this size of doll. She's about 8.5 inches and the head is about 1.5 inches. So we'll get this painted later and you can see how that looks too. But just wanted to kind of show you what's going on here. We've been working on the arms, and tonight I'm going to finish up both arms so I can bring them back to the workshop tomorrow ready to go. And then we also did a hand, but it also got a little bit squished on the way home, so I'm going to have to gently peel this off and kind of try to save these 2 fingers here. I had everything sitting perfectly, but for some reason at the last minute it got shifted in my car and took a turn for the worse. But luckily these are really easy things to fix here, so not too much damage. I'll just need to redo those fingernails as well. So I will show you quickly here how you do a fingernail. We talked about this today at the workshop. Tomorrow we're going to get started on this torso and then also a bit on the legs too. So if you get the chance to stop by and watch, I think you'll find it helpful for your ball jointed doll adventures. Okay, this is a nice tool to use. It's the flat metal tool, and you can just press in on one side and then go across. So you're pressing at the bottom of the nail and then indent on the other side too. Then after you bake these, you can also add just a drip of glaze, like triple thick or something like that. And it will add the gloss to the nail, but it's also going to make that part of the nail be a little bit convex. And so it will have a bit of a surface to it too, and it just really makes the nails look real when you do that. If you want to go the extra mile, you can even add a little paint to it first and put some little white for the nail tips. Okay, got that one done too. So there's her little hand ready to go. I think it'll be tomorrow or the next day on the show. I will also show you how to do the joints. So if you're interested in how to put together a ball jointed doll, be sure and keep watching. It's going to be a free workshop for the next 2 more days. We've got day 1 taken care of today, and then tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning as well. And then after that, it will just be available to buy from Curious Mondo as an online course or DVD set. So for the next couple days, it's free. So take advantage of what you can learn just by watching. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you are enjoying your sculpting process, and I'm glad to help you however I can. Take care.